engine stirring. This happens every time I see a pretty girl and I wanna make her mine. They send my rocket to the sky, I want them, but should I go for it? I'm like Houston, I think we got a problem. Girls, 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 I just can't say no. Never see them coming, I just watch them go. Girls, 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 I just can't say no. Never see them coming, I just watch them go. Take control, look at me sweat, girl, run that show. It's them girls, 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 I just can't say no. Houston, I think we got a problem. Some girls are naughty, some girls are sweet. One thing they got in common, they all got a hold on me. Meet them at the party, meet them in the street. Get me in so much trouble, but that's alright with me. They got my engine turning.